Hi everyone. So today we are going to make some letters with some pistas. See the pista peel, whatever the pista peel is there, you should take out this all the pista peels and you can make a letter. This is one activity for the child. So first of all, ask them to write a letter on it. I'll write A. Take a paper and ask them to write this letter A. And after that, we have some pista peels, right? Like this. Take out the pista peels and ask them to nicely apply the Fevicol on it. So this is one of the activity for the children. By this also they can easily remember the letters. Okay. I'm just giving all the activities which you can make for your children, which you can play with your children and which you can make with them also. Nicely, there will be coordination with the parents and the children. You want any coordination with your children, you want any bonding with the children. With these activities, you can easily make bonding with the children, and you will know how they are doing everything. What are their ideas for doing these activities? Okay. So don't always give the phones, and you can think that I got a free time, I can watch a phone. Just ask them to do this activity with them. Always with them you should do those activities also. Why you should not, what I'm saying, you should not feel bored and you should not make your children be bored in this life, in this world. Why they came to this world? They don't know anything. We are the one who knows everything. Okay. So whatever we know, we should make them understand, make them feel like they are one of us. Just giving their phones, giving them all the cell phones and everything, and for your free time you are making your children addicted to phones. So these are small activities which doesn't take so much time to do. It will take only little time. So they will also give some ideas. So you should stick like this, you should do like this, this color I like, which color you like. You can ask those all things to the children, right? Just by only for 15 minutes, there is so many skills they will get it. 15 minutes of activity, you can get he can get so many skills. So I'm always saying that make a practical way to make them learn. Everything, whatever the subject you have, ask them to do some practicals on it. If it is a science, nicely take a straw, take a seed, ask them to keep in the plant, in the pot, and ask them to note the numbers, when it will grow, when the seed will sprout, when it will do those all, how it grows, how many water you should pour for it. So many plants are there, okay, in our world. So many things are there to do with them. See, they are working in the school. I also understand that they are doing so much in the school. Why we should again force them to do with us? I'm saying not to force them to do, right? Make them interest in those all things. Make them interest to do those activities. It's the learning process, right? They are in the learning stage. Make them learn why the sun is getting shadow, why the sun is hot, why it is night, why it is day. So many questions you can ask them. So they will go and they'll get interest and they want to know what happened. Also, why the sun is so hot, why we are getting cold, why we are getting diseases. These all the questions are there. So many activities, so many questions will be there to ask the children, right? Not that just we have joined in the school. They will say everything in the school. No, In school, I am saying that they have how many children? They have 30 children in one class. They can't always concentrate on every child, right? They will say some, we should say some. I personally think that we should have 50-50 support with the, like parents should support 50% and the teacher will support 50%. Then only it will be completed 100%, then only the children can learn. Everything we can't depend on the school, right? Whatever you are, mainly whatever the children, whatever they learn with the parents, that will be remembered forever for them. In school, teachers will say the class only for that day or for that. They are not spending whole life with the teachers, right? They are spending all the life with you. So I am saying that ask them to do some activities. Playing is also not so much playing. I am saying everything will be limit only. In limit only you should make them understand. You should make them a part of your life. Not you should not be the 50% of their life, right? 100% you should give everything to them. See, I am cooking, I am making them ready, I am making them eat. These all the other things. After few days they will eat, they will get ready, they will go to school, they will only everything they will on their own they will do. Only the knowledge who can give. The knowledge will be given by the parents. That will be that will be evergreen. Whatever the knowledge we are giving, they need for most in every aspect of their life. Whatever the knowledge we are giving, they need everything, right? So you should not always think that I'm doing this, I'm doing that to the children. At one stage, they will not need us. Only our knowledge will be needed for them. So I am saying that ask them to stick like this, pistas. Okay. After that, ask them to paint nicely. What are the color he like? Ask them what color do you like. Whatever the color they like, ask them to paint it. And this will be an activity to your children. Okay. Spending some time with the children, it should not be feel bored, right, for you. Okay. Thank you. If I said anything more, please understand. I am just saying for your children only, not for my sake. Whoever listens it, they will get nice bonding with their children. Who are not listening also, okay, it's okay, it's your life. How you want to build a bonding with your child, that's your interest. I'm just saying that, see, activities, what are the visual representation, what are the practically, if they do those all things, they can easily remember. I can say those only the words I can say. Nicely ask them to paint it. So I have done half, and the other half you make your children to do it. Okay. Yeah, see how nice it is. So like this, make them to do some activities. Okay, thank you.